madam. My name is Suchitra. I am studying 8th class. I am from ZPH School. January. Today topic is Pythagoras theorem. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the other two sides. Pythagoras theorem formula: a square plus b square is equal to c square. Prove that.